Hi, Savannah Campbell here. Today, I want to talk about the proper way to articulate the 26 letters of the English alphabet. Now, when we're teaching letter sounds to our children or to our students, there's a couple of considerations that we should keep in mind. The first consideration is that when we are teaching letter sounds, we need to make it a part of our routine to talk about what our mouths are doing when we're producing that sound. So what do I mean? I want us to make sure that we're talking about what our lips are doing, what our tongue is doing. Is the sound coming from the front of your mouth or the back of your mouth or through your nose? Talk about where the sound is coming from, what your mouth is doing when you're making that sound. If we do this, we are helping to solidify the proper articulation for our students and our children. The other consideration that I want us to keep in mind is this. This one's a little tricky, but we need to make sure that we are cutting off the sound at the end of our letters. So what do I mean? If I'm teaching my children that the letter M is represented by the sound, I don't say that it's the M sound, right? So we don't often add an to the end of that sound, but I will oftentimes hear people saying things like B represents the B sound, or V represents the sound. We want to take those sounds off. It's just B, V. Okay, so there's two considerations to keep in mind. Talk about what your mouth is doing and make sure that we're taking the sound off of our letters. Now, let's get to the way that we pronounce the 26 letters of the English alphabet. A, B, D, E, G, E, J, K, O, A, Qu, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So I hope that this was helpful. Remember, clip your sounds, talk about what your mouth is doing when we're teaching our children the letters of the alphabet. Have a great day.